Hey guys, let's start speaking English from today. I know it's difficult for you. You have a lot of fear. You understand if somebody talks to you in English. You understand whenever you watch any English content, but when it comes to speak, you get stuck. But do not worry. In this 10-minute video session today, I'm gonna remove all your doubts and gonna help you, gonna push you to speak English. Just trust me. Very fast. What did I say? That you have a lot of fear. It means you don't have confidence. So I'm going to boost your confidence very fast with an affirmation. That's I am the best I can do. I am the best I can do. It's a very, very powerful affirmation. You have to repeat that after me. Just pause it. इसको pause करके आप repeat करिए. And this is I'm the best I can do. 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 You feel motivated now, right? I'm the best I can do. I'm the best I can do. Right now here I am in the middle of farming lands in my village for 10 days Dasara vacation. This is why I'm shooting this video from here. On the other hand, I love the nature as well. Now, you get the confidence, and that is I'm the best I can do. I'm the best I can do. We have fear, right? I'm going to give you a very nice trick, a very nice game that will help you to speak English. आप एक सेंटेंस तो बोल सकते हैं ना जी. In this activity, you have to pick a word, and with the help of that word, you have to make a sentence. Now there is a question, from where do we need to pick the word from the sentence that I'm going to tell you? Meanwhile, I'm walking also, going to see my fields. It has been a very, very long time. I didn't go to my farming lands and all. I have taken the umbrella because it's a rainy season. It can rain anytime. All right. So I'm going to start this game. Like I said you that you definitely speak from today. एक सेंटेंस जो मैं पिक कर रहा हूँ वो है I love teaching English. ये एक सेंटेंस है, आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं. From this sentence, I'm going to pick one word and that's English. I teaching भी मैं पिक कर सकता हूँ. English is an international language. Very fast. What did I say? I said you that I love teaching English. From this sentence, I picked a word that's English. और मैंने आपसे क्या बोला? English is an international language. I'm walking this way, right? My destination is there while talking to you. I have to go there, near Mango Orchard. So what I'm telling you that I love teaching English. अब इसमें से मैंने क्या पिक कर लिया? English is an international language. अब इसमें से मैं क्या पिक करूंगा? Language. All languages are great. अब इसमें से मैं क्या पिक करूंगा? Great. Great people are everywhere. Great people are everywhere. अब इसमें से मैं क्या पिक कर लूंगा? People. Some people are genuinely very nice. अब इसमें से मैं क्या पिक कर लूंगा? Nice. You look very nice, man. अब इसमें से मैं क्या पिक कर लूंगा? Man. You are a good man. आगे का रास्ता आपको दिखा देता हूँ, कुछ इस तरीके से है, and I have to go there. My destination is there. It's a little awkward. I mean, I feel because it has been a very long time, but I have to go there. Right. So this is how like you have to, keep learning. If you don't have anyone, any friend with whom you could practice, no worries. Don't worry. You can practice it yourself. It's called Eklavya technique of practicing English, or anything you could do it. So what did I say to you? That you are a good man. अब इसमें से man. Once upon a time, there was a man named Jack. अब इसमें से मैं क्या पिक कर लूँगा? Jack. Jack is my best friend. अब अगला क्या है? Friend. Do you have any friend? इस तरीके से ये एक कभी ना खत्म होने वाला सिलसिला चल सकता है. It can go for very, very long. I mean, this is the best way that you could practice. I hope that at least you know some basics of English. You know how to make translations. आपको English बोलना नहीं भी आता है, no worries. At least you know translations. So with the help of translations, you could speak, and this is the best way. I assure you that if you do it for 10 days only, you keep making, sentences, and from every sentence, you pick a word and then just forward it. You make it next a new sentence. From there, you pick a word and make new sentence. I got unbalanced here, right? So this is how you could practice speaking English. This is one thing. And second thing, what will I say? That you should read every day. Read something in English every day. If you read something in English every day, that will boost your confidence. So you are reading, you are making sentences because you know translations. I know you don't have any partner, you don't have any friend, no worries. I also didn't have when I was practicing. But the one thing that you have is confidence. I know you have fear, but just replace it with confidence. Fear ko bhagao. Just kick it out, right? And this is how you will get confidence. And I again got unbalanced, right? I have to balance it. I have an umbrella with left hand. I'm holding this, and then I'm walking on this very, very narrow lane. You could see a path. I'm walking over it. It happens there in village, right? So my destination is still there. It's long. Where do I come from? I come from there. There I come from. There I come from. And there I have to go. When I was a kid, I would come almost every day seeing my field for inspection. I was an inspector. My father used to send me, and what I would do is that I would keep playing there on those trees, right, with some of friends. And my father would come and he would scold me. Sometimes he would hit me hard, right? Why were you not inspecting, right? What laborers were doing there. So yeah, I was telling you that you have to practice this way, and I assure that you will begin to speak English. This way you are not going to become fluent, or you are not going to be expert, but somehow you will begin to speak English. Now tell me one thing. The game which I told you, आप इसको pause करके दोबारा देख सकते हैं. Is it easy for you to speak or not? Is it easy for you to speak or not? Tell me please. On such paths could be snakes also. You could see this. There could be snakes as well, right? But for me, it's little difficult to go there. I hope you understand that how to play this game. And second thing, I told you that you should read every day. If you read every day, I assure you that you are gonna speak very, very nice English. That can help you. Please do write there in the comment section that how is this game, this activity of making sentence, picking a word from that sentence and make it next. I hope this will help you a lot. Let's speak English with me, and I wish you all the best, that you must and definitely become a very good English speaker. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind.